But it is. It's our 7th year of meeting each other. Now, not necessarily dating. We just met each other 7 years ago. I'm still crying to this. And to celebrate, we thought we would go to another restaurant, do another review. We're hungry. That's really awesome. I'm crying again on that. What?
Oh, you're crying both times. You're really crying both times.
I know. It's like.
Turns off. Which one are we going to?
It sounds so much weirder when you try to do it on purpose. So which one are we going to? I guess the first one that we come to that isn't the Krabby Jim's, which I think is, yeah, that one right there. Okay, we went to that one last time. That was cool. Oh, Scales?
Seafood and scales.
Alright, sounds good to me.
Hi guys, how are you?
I look insane though. I'm like crying so hard.
I'll try.
Oh, you want to?
Do you want to try it?
Thank you.
Margarita for $5.
Thank you.
I think
Happy hour all night. Clam chowder, how are you?
Alright, let's do it. So first up we got the calamari. I guess this is the free thing that comes when you get the little coupon outside. Try it, try it. Does it look better than the other? Do you remember?
The other one was like more golden fried.
Was it like that though, or was it rings? Yeah, was it like that, or was it rings? Because yeah, I was gonna say I thought it was.
Does better.
Looks more fresh.
The other ones look better, but yeah, this is more fresh.
Alright, I guess I'll try it too.
This is awesome.
I'm not a big fan of calamari, but you know. What is that, tartar?
Yeah.
I think is this?
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Yeah.
If anything, this probably like the type you like most.
I'm gonna say it's pretty mild.
It's not like fast food. Super
No.
dry.
I don't want another piece, but like, it's okay.
It's really bad.
Say that again.
It's really good.
Oh my god, don't be like that.
It's actually really nasty. It's really bad.
Again, because you're making it weird. Ooh, it's exciting. Thank you.
Saffron takes a little time, so that's why I wrote this one first. While we're working on the bread.
No problem, thank you.
Alright, no worries. Ooh, looks good.
It does look good.
It's ginormous. You should try it though, it's just a shrimp.
Cold shrimp.
Oh.
Not even cold shrimp, iced shrimp.
Don't look at me like that. That is so good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Such a gorgeous view.
Crab stuffed pretzel with Monterey Jack.
Alright.
Cheese fondue and butter.
Start digging in with something.
Oh yeah.
He said it's really hot. You have a knife though.
Yeah?
Oh, cheese fondue. That's cheese fondue?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Oh my.
Thank you.
Okay, so this one is the...
Fondue.
Oh, it's so hot. Look at that. Look at this wholesome. Like, gosh, it doesn't have a lot of that fast food kind of like. I thought it was gonna be more bar.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely.
You know, oh wow. I'm saying like, it's not what I expected, but. Yeah, what do you think?
Good.
Yeah, really good.
I wasn't sure what I expected.
Have you tried the mustard? It's not bad. I tried it.
I'll try it.
I feel like you almost have to do them together because the cheese doesn't have that much flavor. It's not salty enough, kind of, you know? You put a little mustard and dunk it in. It's good. I swear, it gets more beautiful the darker it gets. The salad. Hooray! So we got seafood paella, and I'm waiting for a glass of wine. So he just throws his napkin and goes, what'd you say? This napkin is so yesterday. You want to cut the lobster in half? I think it's just this piece up here. Yeah. It's just, yeah, it's just this piece. Okay, here, hold. I'm holding.
I got it.
I got it. Ugh. Oh god. Oh god. Oh yeah.
Take your half.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh, the pay was bomb. So good though, huh?
They're delicious, everything.
So what do you think about this restaurant compared to the other one?
It was way better. It's over here.
Oh yeah. So we had leftovers of the pretzel, my salad, and the paella, which there was a lot of leftover paella.
Yeah.
Right now we're waiting on treats. We never get any of that on camera, man.
What?
Our ranting and raving about our anniversary and how this was the best dinner we ever had in 70 years.
Yeah.
70.